Alright, this is the Alkota 210 space heater. It's 250,000 BTU. It circulates about 2,000 CFM of air, so it'll heat equivalently 10,000 square feet, depending upon your height clearance. Has a separate fan and burner controls, so you could use this as a fan in the summertime. Has a regular Wayne oil burner on the back of this. So it's the equivalent to a home heater. This is basically a furnace on wheels. Regular fuel pump on there. Fuel filter. Big blower fan with a thermostat on it as well. And a separate blower motor. I will have another video posted showing this in operation as well.